Hello and welcome to another update video about ETHBTC. Yeah, we've nearly reached target now, and I think we should get there really. I mean, the downtrend doesn't give us any indication it's stopping. I did change the micro count here a little bit. I had it as a 1-2 setup before. Oh no, it was the A, B, but I did have the B wave here and then a 1-2 in the C wave, but not reliable because if this really had this been a wave 1-2, the wave 2 came too high. So it would be this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not reliable because the wave 2 came too high. So I did decide in the end to change it to this. And then we're dealing now with a C wave to the downside, which would be a 5-wave move. We talk about targets now as well. First of all, zooming out towards the bigger picture, we have an ABC structure to the upside here in 2017. I count that as wave 1. As the first wave of a diagonal, then a WXY structure down to wave 2. Now we're looking for, because the wave 1 is an ABC, the wave 3 has to be an ABC as well, ABC. Wave A could be in the making now. The A wave itself should be a 5-wave move in an ideal world. Wave 1 done, wave 2 done, wave 3 done, wave 4 done. Could now be in this 5th wave, which would also be an ABC structure in this particular case. So it's a very messy structure, a lot of ABCs. Basically all Bitcoin charts that I know of are ABCs. So they are less reliable. Nevertheless, we can identify a possible uptrend here based on the wave count. That's at least my best take currently. And yeah, so we're basically in an uptrend. But what would that mean? That would mean that Ethereum is overall outperforming Bitcoin. But in the short term here, we have a local downtrend, which is the exact explanation for why Bitcoin is currently outperforming Ethereum. But we've been warning you about that already weeks ago. Already in March and April, we talked about that when this triangle broke to the downside. So it's currently playing out. Price made a new local low, and we're nearly reaching target at 0.06. Now, that doesn't mean 0.06 needs to be the completion, because what we want to identify is the area when Ethereum will start to outperform Bitcoin again. Now, there are a few ways of looking at it. We can take the length of the wave W, we go to the high of the X wave, and then we're looking for the 1-to-1 ratio as a very common target at 0.053. That's at least one common target. The 61.8 extension is already one target, but it's not very common. It's at 0.061. That's basically where we are now, but I don't expect this move down to finish here. Another way of looking at it is we take the length of the A wave here and we go to the high of the B wave, and then we're looking for the 100% extension is here at 5.96. I find that more reliable. That's the first level to watch for. And then the 1.618 extension at 0.053. So let's see if we get there. Looking at a micro count, I mean, it's really hard to give you a micro count for the C wave, but my best take would be to have a small 1-2 setup here, 3rd wave now, a 4th and a 5th. It's not an ideal count, but it could certainly take us lower, and it's going to be interesting. It recently broke support as well. So for the foreseeable future, maybe the next few days or weeks, it is still expected for Ethereum to be outperformed by Bitcoin. Now there will be some kind of a counter, like a bounce, a corrective bounce to the upside when Ethereum could short-term outperform Bitcoin again. But until we really complete this turnaround or this move to the downside, we can't really, so we need a confirmed turnaround, okay? So what you always can get is sort of stuff like that, where you go a bit higher, and you get these periods of corrective pullbacks, but it would still be within a downtrend. Just want to make you aware of that. So that's my update about ETHBTC. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.